Okay, I am going to attempt to do all last week. I did a video yesterday of just the third for pre-market, so I pulled in the whole data. I want to do the whole week. Now, because of doing whole week, it's going to pull in pre-market over the night, news. It's going to pull in everything. So, just so you are aware that whatever number is going to be up here in the status box. And this is a separate indicator, by the way, but whatever's in there is going to be kind of odd, because we need, at the end of the video, what I want to do is I want to pull the data into the spreadsheet, and then we'll be able to pick apart the different sessions, AM, PMs, London, etc., and then go from there. So I'm going to go max. I need to turn it. It always starts on pause. So I'm going to put on auto, active, max, and it's going to let it go. I'm going to work on the other computer here and just let this rip throughout the whole week, and then we'll be able to, at the end of the video, dictate what's going on.
Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop. Order submit. Stop. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submit. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop. Order sub. Stop. Order sub. Target failed. Target failed. Order sub. Stop failed. Stop failed. Order sub. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop. Order submit. Target failed. Stop failed. Order sub. Stop. Order sub. Stop failed. Order sub. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Stop. Order sub. Stop. Target failed. Stop. Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Target. Stop failed. Target. Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Stop. Order stop. Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Stop. Target failed. Order sub. Stop. Order submitted. Target failed. Stop. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Stop failed. Target failed. Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order sub. Stop. Order sub. Stop. 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 Order submit. Stop. Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Stop. Order submit. Stop. Order sub. Stop. Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Stop. Stop. Stop failed. Target. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Target failed. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop. Target failed. Stop. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Target failed. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Target. Stop failed. Target failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Target failed. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Stop. Stop. Order submitted. Stop. Stop. Target failed. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop. Target failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Target failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Stop failed. Stop failed. Order Stop failed. Order Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Target failed. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Stop. Order submitted. Stop failed. Target failed. Target. Order submitted. Stop failed. Target failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Stop failed. Target failed. Target failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Target. Target. Order submitted. Stop failed. Target failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Target failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Target failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop. Target failed. Target failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Target filled. Stop filled. Order submitted. Stop filled. Order submitted. Stop filled. Stop. Order submitted. Stop. Target filled. Order submitted. Stop filled. Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Stop filled. Order submitted. Stop filled. Order submitted. Stop filled. Target filled. Order submitted. Stop filled. Order submitted. Stop filled. Target filled. Order submitted. Stop filled. Order submitted. Stop filled. Order submitted. Target. Stop filled. Order submitted. Stop filled. Order submitted. Stop. Target filled. Stop filled. Order submitted. 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 Stop filled.
Hold on. What happened there? I wasn't paying attention, so I'll restart it. Oh, it might have been a session break or something. I don't know. Let's restart it again. I don't know why I did it. And we gotta do this, and then unpause it, and go.
Order submitted. Stop filled. Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Stop filled. Target. Stop. Stop. Order submitted. Target filled. Stop filled. Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Stop filled. Stop. Target filled. Stop filled. Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Stop filled. Stop filled. Order submitted. 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 Target. Stop filled. Order submitted. Stop filled. Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Target filled. Target filled. Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Stop filled. Target filled. Order submitted. Stop filled. Order submitted. Target filled. Stop filled. Order submit. Stop filled.
Gotta fix.
Order submitted.
We can fix that.
Stop filled. Order submitted. Stop filled.
That's the price
Order
extensions. Will do
submitted.
that for us.
Stop. Order submitted. Stop filled. Order submitted. Stop filled. Order submitted. Stop filled. Order submitted. Stop found. Stop found. Order submitted. Stop found. Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Stop found. Order submitted. Target filled. Stop found. Order submitted. 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 Stop. Order submitted. Stop found. Order submitted. Stop found. Order submitted. Stop found. Target filled. Order submitted. Stop found. Order submitted. Stop found. Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Stop found. Order submitted. Stop found. Order submitted. Stop found. Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Stop found. Stop found. Order submitted. 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 Stop found. Stop. Order submitted. Stop found. 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 Stop found. Order submitted. Stop found. Order submitted. Stop found. Stop found. Order submitted. Stop found. Order submitted. Stop found. Order submitted. Stop found. Order submitted. Stop. Stop found. Order submitted. Stop found. Order submitted. Stop found. Order submitted. Stop found. Order submitted. Target filled. Target filled. Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Stop. Stop found. Target. Order submitted. Stop found. Order submitted. Stop found. Order submitted. Stop found. Order submitted. Order filled.
Okay, we'll pause it right there. This is what I was talking about. There's yeah. So the trade management, the way it's designed to work is that the trail stops trails every tick, which for NASDAQ is really tight because it's got to go to the market, come back with the order. Ninja's got to process it and change it every single tick it moves. It's constantly back forth to the market. Depends on your internet connection, depends how fast your computer is, etc. So I'm going to slow that down so we could put a number in there. I'm thinking right now maybe every 4 ticks it would trigger and go down. And the reason for that is because what will happen is let's say it's going down, 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 down. It goes to the market to set a new price right here, but before it comes back and processes it, price has already popped up above it. So now when the price is above it and you're trying to put a stop order there, you get that ninja error saying, hey, you can't do that, whatever. And And the strategy then, by design, is that anytime it finds an error, it's supposed to stop the strategy, flatten positions, and stop it right there. So that's by design, but it is what it is. So I will turn it back on again now. Hey guys, dog's going crazy. Let's let it calculate here. Turn it back on auto, unpause it, and we'll let it go again. So we're down $2,200, but this is probably, I haven't really been watching it too much. I'm kind of working.
Order submitted. Stop.
Unfortunately, by doing 100 million times speed like this, you can't tell it to only trade during certain times. I like pre-market. I mean, I want to be able to see what all the time frames stuff. Who knows? There was one, I think it was silver or something. We found out that trades best in like the London session. So it's kind of interesting. So I'm just going to get all the data, pull it to spreadsheet, and click a button and find out the best market to trade it.
Order submitted. Stop failed.
Won't take long.
Target failed. Order
Just let it run out.
Stop failed. Target failed. Order submit.
This is just part of doing what you got to do.
Stop failed.
Part of trading, I guess. Huh?
Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order stop failed. Targets. Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Target failed. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Target failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop. Order submit. Stop failed. Order submit. Stop. Stop. Order submitted. Stop. Target failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submit. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order stop. Order submitted. Stop failed.
See up here right there, schedules off between the hours of well, see, it's just the session closed. Let me stop it there. Boy, I have to take a look at. We need to break this down and find out why we're down so much. Hopefully, it's not during market hours. All right, so back on, unpause, and go.
Order
Once we get the data, we'll figure it out.
Stop. Order submit. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Stop. Order stop failed. Order submitted. 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 Stop failed. Order stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Target failed. Stop. Order submit. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Target failed. Order submit. Stop failed. Order submit. Stop. Order submitted.
Oh, there. Target
Stop.
filled.
Order sub. Stop failed.
You know what? Let me go back here real quick.
Target failed. Stop failed.
Let me get this time
Order
here real
submitted.
quick.
Target
Let's
failed.
see what happened here with this target
Stop
fill right
failed.
away.
Order sub.
Right here.
Stop. Order submit.
Midnight.
Stop.
Oh,
Target
I know.
failed.
Session
Order
close at
sub.
that. So midnight on the 5th, right? Okay.
Target failed. Stop. Target failed. Target failed.
Now
Target
that,
failed.
I don't know what is going on. I think maybe it just can't handle the... What the heck is all that about? Jeez. Okay. What time is this? 3 o'clock in the morning.
Order submitted.
Seems like maybe it's just too fast to handle. I don't know. All right, I'll write that down too. What was that? 1-6 at times at 0306. Okay. I'll look into that data later and evaluate it.
Target failed. Stop failed. Stop failed.
So now we're getting
Order
pre-market.
submitted.
Well, even that's a little early pre-market.
Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed.
Red, green, green, red. Yeah. These settings are only using 3 charts, time frames. And I guess there's a way to kind of get rid of all that stuff.
Order submitted. Stop failed.
See, that right there I don't really particularly care for. That's when it gets to 50
Order
ticks,
submitted.
it goes to break even plus 25. And I think that's just way too tight. I think you need to let it go more. If you're going to risk it, risk it.
Stop failed.
See, now you're out. Sure, you got 25 ticks, but it's like, I don't know. When you lose, you lose all 50. But when you're hitting profit, you're only taking half. So that needs to be mathematically looked at, evaluated. Oh my God, what am I doing? 15. Let's go. Never get through it.
Target failed. Target failed. Order sub. Stop failed. Order submitted. Target failed. Stop. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submit. Stop failed. Orders. Target failed. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Target failed. Target failed. Order
Now, wait a
submitted.
minute.
Stop
Let me
failed.
pause this real quick. I just happen to be watching this. What happened here? I gotta slow it down. Let me get the dates on the side. So this is the 6th at what's it? 6:30, 06:36 and 16 at 06:48. Okay.
Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop. Target failed. Target failed. Order submitted.
719. I think I know what that is.
Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Stop. Order submitted. Stop failed.
You know, it would be interesting to run these same settings without the move to break even.
Stop failed. Order
Just take that off altogether. Scott was telling me that he has. It was whether you hit target or you hit your stop. That's it. None of this trailing crap.
Order submitted.
I don't know if I buy that, but got to give it room. You're willing to give it 50 ticks at the beginning of a trade, but now it's going in your direction, and you're not willing to give it 50 ticks anymore. Now you're only willing to give it 25. So that seems to be the problem.
Order submitted. Stop failed. Stop failed.
See, I can't tell you how many times it gets popped out. It's just too tight. I gotta look at the MFE, the MAE, and then the price extensions, and we'll be able to see, you know, more detail of what happens after the trade. Unfortunately, Ninja only gives you information during the trade, and that's where the price extensions come into play. That right there, what is that? 933. That's the open.
Target stop failed.
And I think I know what that's all about.
Target failed. Order submit. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Target failed. Stop failed. Target failed. Stop failed. Target stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Target failed. Order submitted.
Now wait a minute here. Wait a minute. What is going on here? Alright. I gotta look at all these. 1609 49. I love the fact that I hit the target, profit target, but come on. You get in at 86 and you hit your profit target at 86. That doesn't make sense. Yeah, it's a break. So what happened there? I just gotta slow it down at a lower speed.
Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop. Target failed.
Yeah. See this right here?
Target failed.
I gotta see what 09.
Order submitted.
53. That's the toggling back and forth. I'll have to look at that. That's not right.
Stop. Target filled. Order
See, look at it. Why
submitted.
one?
Target stop
That
filled.
doesn't make sense. It's not doing the targets right. I have to look at that. I think it's just going too fast,
Order
maybe, but we'll
submitted.
see. Holy crap!
Stop filled.
Well, max speed, okay, but my God, what the
Order
heck is going
submitted.
on? This is what, 10 o'clock in the morning on, was the 6th? What's the
Stop
6th? The
filled.
6th was
Order
Thursday.
submitted.
Oh, Thursday. Oh, Thursday was the,
Target filled.
that was a down day, if I'm not mistaken.
Order submitted. Stop. Target filled.
Apparently so.
Stop filled.
Oh
Order
yeah, look at
submitted.
this volume
Stop
sliver. I think I remember seeing this. I saw it up like 34,000. And these are based on a 15-minute chart.
Stop filled.
I think this is where we're talking about putting the volume
Order
sliver in.
Stop.
In the strategy. It's not. This is just a standalone indicator. It's not part of the strategy, nor is it a status box. But it's on the tool under tools. If you want to grab it, you can grab volume sliver. But I have it set for a 15-minute time frame. And when it gets this high within a 15-minute bar, it just starts to kind of go a little nuts. So I'm kind of looking and contemplating on if that's going to play any role into it.
Stop filled.
What I really want to do next, though, is work on the AI. So when it finds certain criteria, like if it goes back and looks at the last X trades, and if the last, whatever trades, X trades, had a small range, then it'll change the settings. And if the range is good, then they'll do something else with the settings. And if it's a choppy back and forth, or if you do this or do that, or depends on price movement, then it's going to do something else based on the logic. I call it AI, but it's really not. It's just, if this, then do that.
Target filled. Target filled. Stop filled. Order submitted. Stop filled. Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Stop filled. Order submitted.
We were down
Stop filled.
$5,000 a little while ago. That's interesting. There's been a couple good trades, I guess.
Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Stop filled. Target filled. Order submitted. Stop filled. Target filled. Order submitted. Stop 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 filled. Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Stop filled. Order submitted.
Yeah, I know you got to stop at some point, but
Target filled.
golly, there's the change right there.
Stop filled. Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Stop filled. Order submitted. Stop. Stop filled. Order submitted. Stop filled. Order submitted. Stop filled. Order submitted. Target filled. Stop filled. Order submitted. Stop filled. Target failed. Stop. Order submitted. Stop failed.
There's your change.
Order submitted. Stop failed. Order
God,
submitted.
changes so
Stop
just
failed.
changes so fast.
Target
Of
failed.
course, we're dealing with a small time frame,
Order submitted. Stop
but
failed.
just the whip
Order
back and
submitted.
forth. Now, this is NASDAQ. Oh, I didn't even try. I should probably try crude, gold, or ES, or Russell. I just have this thing for
Stop
NASDAQ,
failed.
which really takes a lot of...
Order submitted. Stop.
Probably be a lot easier if I started with crude, but it's so boring.
Order submitted. Stop failed.
Alright, what are we at noon?
Order submitted. Stop failed. 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 Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Stop failed. Target failed. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Target failed. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Stop. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Stop. Order submitted. Stop failed. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Stop. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Target failed.
See, that doesn't make sense. Hold on a second. That just does not make sense. Oh, it's that stupid... I don't know. Why is this here? Look at this. Something happens here. I gotta look at that under slower speed. So what is it? 1.6 at 13:22. All right, sorry about that. I just had there's something not right on that.
Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Target failed. Order submitted.
Why
Stop
did that?
failed.
That's something's not right there. I've got a dozen here that I gotta look at now.
Target failed. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted.
All that for
Stop
that.
failed. Order
That
submitted.
stupid thing. It's like just
Stop failed.
NASDAQ. I'm gonna have to look at YM and ES. I guess I could start with the same settings or tweak them from there.
Target. Stop. Order submitted. Stop failed.
See? Oh, you're risking 50 ticks on a stop, but yet you pull up that stupid trail, and look at it, I lost it all on that. I would have hit that target. Unbelievable. There's got to be. I think I should turn that off. If you're going to take me out at 50 ticks, take me out at 50 ticks.
Order submitted.
It's just trailing too tightly for NASDAQ.
Stop failed.
I think I do that. I think I'll run these same settings without the.
Order submitted.
I'll do the auto trail. I mean, obviously, when you get to a certain amount, you got to protect yourself, but you just got to give it more room.
Target failed. Target failed. Order submitted.
Oh, what happened there?
Stop failed.
1536.
Order submitted. Stop failed.
Look at that one.
Order submitted. Stop failed.
Schedule's off here. It's time. It's just time. Okay. It's not designed to come back on here. I'll just pause it, but it should be back on now.
Target. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Target failed. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed.
Once I get the pivot stops in here, I think that might cure it too. Because I'll use the auto trail as a backup, but the pivot stops, I'm going to use that as it's going to jump to that.
Stop. Order submitted.
It's a separate video you can watch on that.
Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Stop failed. Target failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order Stop failed. Order submitted. Target failed. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Order stop failed. Target failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop. Target failed. Target failed. Target failed.
620. Come on.
Target failed. Order submitted.
17.
Stop.
That's
Order
something
submitted.
right there. I don't know what that is.
Stop failed.
No, I was going to say no.
Order stop failed. Order submitted. Stop.
Oh,
Order
trade
submitted.
management.
Stop
What do they
failed.
call it? I called it trade management override.
Order submitted.
When condition.
Order failed.
Stop that right there. So it went squirrely and popped me out. When conditions change, if you're in a trade and conditions change, then the trade management is going to be designed to get out gracefully. Moves up the stops, brings down the target, hopefully get out with break even +1 kind of thing. That's what we're looking at. Really get out immediately if you're at a positive, and if you're in a negative, or maybe move to break even or something. And if you're not in a trade and conditions change, then obviously it would cancel anything right away. So we're working on that. So let's what we got to do. Let's turn this on. So I want to finish this up, and then I want to go break down the hours. We got to see what's going on with those weird multiple hits. Shouldn't be doing that.
Stop. Order stop. Target. Order submitted. Target failed.
There's a setting in here too that you could, if it hits $1,000, just stop trading.
Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed.
But that's it. If you want any more than that, then you need a discipline manager, and that will allow you to trade, but only give back so much. See, it's starting to get really squirrely. This is all ninja stuff. What's happening is the stop is coming in, and the price zips down below the stop prior to the stop being placed, and it says you can't do that. It errors, and by design, it turns flattens any position and closes the strategy. And it's because
target failed.
Well, it's not. It's the open. Yeah.
Target failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order stop failed. Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Target. Stop failed. Order submitted. Target failed. Stop failed. Stop. Target failed. Stop failed. Stop failed. Target
I
failed.
don't think that looks right.
Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Stop failed.
In case you didn't know what this is the reversal bar. I can turn it off. But that just shows you when it's going to get a reversal bar. That's my very first indicator I've made.
Order submitted. Stop failed. Target. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order stop failed. Order stop failed. Order stop failed. Target failed. Order submitted.
That
Stop.
doesn't look
Order
right.
stop. Order submitted. Stop
You know,
failed.
that auto trail is just not working right. There's something
Target failed.
something's not right on there.
Stop failed.
I gotta look at that. Something is not right.
Order submitted. Stop failed. Target failed. Order submitted. Stop failed.
Oh,
Order
yeah, maybe it
submitted.
is. Oh, yeah. Okay. I see what it's doing.
Target failed. Target failed. Order submitted.
I'm gonna pause this for a second here. I'm gonna change this. Can I do that here?
Order submitted.
It's catching up.
Stop failed.
I want to change this
Order
to
submitted.
ticks.
Stop. Target failed.
Come on.
Order submitted.
There. There. I want to change that to ticks. Okay. That's what I go by. Too hard.
Stop.
Need to look at ticks.
Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Target stop failed. Target failed. Order submitted.
So this is designed to do break even at 50 ticks, go to 25, and then auto trail at 75, the reversal bar, and then at 100 a little tighter, and 150 really tight. And that's where I get popped out a lot because it's at 19 ticks of a stop. So by the time it goes to the market and comes back again, it can move 19 ticks very easily.
Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Target failed. Stop failed. Order submitted. Target stop. Order submitted.
Couldn't do it.
Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Target failed. Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Target stop failed. Order submitted. Target failed. Target order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Target failed. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop. Target failed. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Target failed. Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Stop failed. Target failed. Order submitted. Target failed. Stop failed. Order submitted. 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 Stop failed. Target failed. Order submitted. Stop failed. Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted. Stop. Order submitted.
All right, so schedule's off. It won't take any more new trades. So we're done because the schedule goes on at that time. Would have been a nice one, but whatever. Okay, so now it turns off. So let me close that. So a whole week, $3,600. But when I did it yesterday for just the third by itself in the morning session, it was up like $5,000. So we obviously lost a lot. So now what I need to do is go into the data. There's a separate video on this. And I'm going to go into here. I need currency, so it needs to say trades with a $sign. And I'm going to generate it. And I'm going to say, oh, I don't want all that. I want this one. And drop that. And this is my data. So I'm going to go to right click on it and say export. And I will say NQ test. Let's say was it 1 3 2 1 7. Let's do that. Okay. All right. So this is going to be all of our data, but I need to break right now. There it is right there. This is the data. This is all we need. So now I just take this, dump it into the spreadsheet, and I'll put the video. I'll put it at the end of the video, or actually I might even put it at the beginning. Anyway, I'll splice it in here. But just out of curiosity here, let's see if we can look at it here. Let me get this out of the way. I don't care about the profit accounts. What am I looking for? Oh, analyze. Yeah, I really need to see it on my spreadsheet. I don't like Ninja's thing here. But let me look at this here real quick. FE, 139 bucks. So consecutive 20 loser, consecutive losers 20. Number of winning, number of losers. So we still got to work on some working to do. Again, without going into the spreadsheet, I can't. I mean, this is going to show you everything. You know, pre-market, London session, PM, you know, noon, all that stuff. So I'll have to do, let's bring this into the spreadsheet and really evaluate it that way. So anyway, I'm going to close it with this right here, and I'll be back with the spreadsheet. What am I doing here? Closing. All right. All right. So I just dumped all this data in here, and I want to kind of break it out here. I did the 3rd to the 7th. So right there, we can go look at the other stuff later, but I just want to look at this. Let's just do one day at a time here. So 4th, 5th. 5th is good. I'm trying to find consistency. I don't really care so much about the numbers, although I like these numbers. I just need consistency. Notice, so the loser days, or pretty much, yeah, it's manageable. You know, lose a couple hundred, but on these 2 winning days, I don't know what, 5th and 6th. Okay, anyway, that's pre-market, so let's just go back to here. Let's go to, now here's pre-market. Yeah, that was all pre-market. New York session. New York session is between 5:31 and 9:29 in the morning. Not bad. Not bad when it goes somewhere. Not bad. So for a week, $3 grand in the morning. All right, so let's really look at the AM session because that's what we're really here for. Oh, nice. All right, let's break it down. Consistency, and again, I only have 5 days here to be consistent on, so you can't really do. Oh, look at that. So there's your negative 4,000. Oh my gosh, what happened there? Okay, pretty good. Wow. I'm liking these. Okay, so let's go to this one here. Let's go to, we're just dealing with AM right now, so let's go to this one. So here, 9:30, right at the open, loser, man, bam, you're $1,100 right in 2 trades right off the bat, and another one. So boom, well, that was a winner. So you're still down. You're down $800  6 minutes into it. Then you get a winner and you're right back up. So now you're happy. The question is how much heat is somebody going to take? Because I tell you right now, 1,000 is my threshold. So right at the beginning of the day, and that's why I don't like this morning crap. I call this flushing the toilet. Just a bunch of stuff, and until it settles down, it's just whirlpooling around, scrubbing bubbles. But anyway, so you wait 5 minutes or something, and if you did wait 5 minutes, boom. Let's see if that's consistent though. So we'll go back and look at that. Okay. So anyway, so positive, 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 positive. So you can see your balance is, looking pretty good. So you're fine, even if you have a couple losers of $500. You're not sweating too much. Bunch of losers now. 1050 now here. 1050. It's still in the morning session, but after 10:30 it starts to calm down. Let's see. Consistency. It's all about consistency. All right. So look at the next one. Here we are, flushing the toilet crap. Okay. So now 8 minutes into it, and you start getting some nice movements. Yeah. That first 5 minutes, though, I'm telling you, it's doable. Okay, icky day here. So even if you did wait until the first 5 minutes and you get into it, loser, 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 loser. You know, you're down 13. Oh, here the high at $2,800. You're down. I don't know if anybody's going to do that. I don't know if this is just a bad day. Look at this. It just can't go anywhere. Ah, this is that chop day. Yeah, I remember that. Okay, so this is just didn't go anywhere. So here's the thing. I've got to get it to recognize, and that's the AI I was talking about. Average MAE 38 ticks. It just isn't going. It just isn't following through. Look at it, 46 ticks of ETD. Yeah, you're just giving way too much back. So, okay, that's all trade management. Oh, all right. Well, let's just move on. Okay, so again, even the first 5 minutes, you get in right about here. Loser, 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 especially with a day like yesterday. So, you know, boom. So now you're going to do this again? Gosh. Gosh, gosh, gosh. It's not until 10 o'clock where it starts to, look at that. I mean, everyone's a winner. Well, not quite. You know, there's some losers here, but ultimately it just keeps going up and up and up and up. The high was 49 here. But are you going to wait this out? I mean, how much are you going to really give up? The lowest you've been on that day was $1,000. I'll tell you, that's my threshold, so I might have to beef that up. I don't know. Man, that's tough. That's tough. You're down $1,000, and well, again, I can go to one. I could probably do. Oh, see now here, this is a glitch. 12 contracts. That's when. Okay, and there's I see 6 here for. There I could look at though. That's when the market is just going haywire, and it's taking an order and taking an order and all in the same bar. So that's a strategy thing that I believe I could get rid of. So that doesn't happen. I've got to take a look at that. But yeah, I think I can get rid of that. That's a strategy logic. But in any event, I mean, even it's so, 12 contracts is, you know, you're still down 500. But how are you gonna? Boy, it's nice after the fact. Where does it pick up? See, there's a 4 contract. I shouldn't have been in there. Well, here's your winners. Those are legit. You know, boom, boom, boom. Solid winners, back to back, brings you right back up. All right. See, the problem is, especially with Nasdaq. I mean, again, with the other ones are like this too, though. Consistency. Trying to find consistent days. You need to get that AI logic in there, and it needs to be able to recognize ranges and winners and losers and say, look, I'm just not winning any consecutive losers. Okay. All right, back to the drawing board, and we'll have a meeting on that one. Well, this is good, though. So, boom, boom, boom. All right, so first few losers, again, flushing the toilet in the morning. You know, that's manageable. I mean, I don't know if I'd even be in on that one anyway, at first 9:30. But certainly, you know, probably not that one either. But by 9:45, I'd be in. So, boom, first one's a loser. But then, boom, you're back up, and then never go back since. And they're all. So it's not until here where you get the craziness. But even so, just normal trades. Boom, you're up $5,000. That's nice. Okay. So all in all for the week, assuming you had all these multiple orders which need to be worked out in a strategy, and it might have been because of that super fast market, I had it on max speed. If I slowed it down, it might actually take care of it. I can go in there. I have these written down, these times to look at. I bet you if I just slowed it down, it might have even take care of it by itself, but maybe not. I don't know. So anyway, 10 grand in 1 week. Take a few trades out for, you know, this business and some early morning trades that, you know, we don't want, and who knows what. Well, okay, so midday. go back to this one. So midday, ugh. All right, so PM is 14. It's the afternoon session actually. So it's like, you know, from 2:30 to the close. Yuck, 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 yuck. PM session, not so great. So it's just the morning. If I went in there and cleaned up these and got rid of all these, where'd it go? If I got rid of all these 14, just deleted them all together. Anything that's not 2. Like this one here. That's a loser. You know what I'd like to do? I think what I will do is I will go in, maybe I'll do it again. I wouldn't mind changing some settings. There is one setting I'd like to change. It's the auto trail. Maybe I'll run it again while I'm cooking and having dinner. Let it run at a, you know, maybe 50 times speed and see if I, well, I'll get different results. But I want to look at this business here is what I'm kind of looking at. I got to stay away from that. These are all entries. So, I mean, as far as where it gets out and what the outcome was is here nor there. The entries for these dates are all going to be the same because I'm not changing anything with the entries. It's just the stop management, the auto trail. So let's come back.